Please subscribe to our channel, and for latest update, click on the bell icon.
Now children, we are going to see the place value concept. Okay. So this you know, when you put a comma, you need to know the place value in order to arrange the numbers in the correct unit, right? So place value is generally divided in three forms. Okay. So the first one is called as ones periods. Okay. The next is called as thousands period. And the last one is called as lakh period. Fine. So in ones period, it is again divided into three parts, which is ones, tens, and hundred. So you will always have in mind why I always put a comma after the first, starting from your right hand side. Why do I always put a comma after three digits, right? So the reason is because ones, tens, and hundreds are categorized in ones period. So one, these three digits are over. We put a comma to show a separation that the next digits belong to the thousands period. Okay. So thousand period basically is divided in two parts, which is 1000 and 10,000. Okay. So when I put 1000 and 10,000, again after 10,000, I will be separating it with a comma again. Okay. So once 10,000 is over, the next thing is very good. It is lakh. So this is again divided as lakh and 10 lakh. Okay. So similarly, after this, it will go to crores. Okay. So now, since we are dealing only with lakh in our this unit, we will be only learning till lakh period. Okay. Say for example, if I have to write a number, say 6543210, and this number I have to place in the proper place value. So how will I do it, children? 0 will come in ones, then 1 in tens place, 2 in hundreds place, then 3 will come in thousand, 4 will come in 10,000, 5 will come in lakhs, and 6 will come in 10 lakhs. So how will you read this number? This number will be read as 65 lakhs 43,210. How will you write it? You will write it as 65 lakhs 43,210. So this will be your number value. Okay. Now, if I write just like 6543210, I don't understand it properly. When I just have a glance, it is not very clear for me. So, how will I write this to make it more simplified? Okay. So, as I said, we will be separating it with the periods. So, one's period is 0, 1, 2, right? I will put a comma here. Then, tens, thousands periods, which is after 43. Okay. So this is how I will be writing it, by separating with a comma after the certain period. So now it becomes easy for me to read it. 65 lakhs 43,210. Okay. Got it? Now if the same thing I have to write it in the international system. You know, just now I told you that lakh and 10 lakh has a different value in international system, right? So in international system, this 1000, 10,000, after 10,000 it becomes as 100,000, right? And then it is converted to million. So the same thing will be written as 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So which means it becomes 6,543,210. Okay. So this will be written as 6,543,210. Okay. The place value will change after the 10,000 position. Got it? So in international system, commas will come after every 3-digit period. That is ones, tens, hundreds, comma, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, comma, then million, 10 million, 100 million. So after every 3 digits, you will have a comma as separation in international system. So this is my international system. Okay, whereas the first one is my Indian system. So are you clear with the terms, children? So it is just on the basis of comma alone, we are identifying whether the given number is in the Indian system or in the international system. So what you have to keep in mind is, whenever you see a comma after every 3 digit, it is clear that it is an international system. Because for Indian system, only for the once period we have 3 digit. After that, it is followed by only 2 digits. Clear? So based on these concepts, now we are going to solve our sums in this unit.